In today's fast-paced digital world, maximizing survey income is a goal for many seeking extra earnings. But how do you improve your chances and increase your gains with surveys? The key lies in crafting survey profiles that work through strategic targeting. Stay with us as we unravel the secrets behind successful survey taking. First, let's delve into the importance of accuracy and honesty. Your survey profile should clearly reflect your real-life demographics, interests, and preferences. Companies seek valid data for their market research and appreciate profiles that truthfully represent the responder. Mismatched responses can lead to disqualifications, resulting in loss of time and potential income. Next, identify niches that resonate with you. Specificity is crucial. If you have a strong interest in technology, fashion, or travel, highlight these in your profile. Companies often look for niche audiences, and aligning your profile with specific industries increases your chances of being selected for high-paying surveys. Moreover, leverage the power of keyword usage. Surveys often use algorithms to match profiles with targeted surveys, so using relevant keywords for your interests can connect you with more opportunities. Keep your profile updated regularly, incorporating new interests and life changes such as education or jobs, which may qualify you for more surveys. Don't overlook the significance of registering on multiple platforms. Diverse platforms offer varied types of surveys, each catering to different clientele. By broadening your presence, you gain access to a wider array of surveys, significantly increasing your income potential. In conclusion, boosting your survey income is a process rooted in careful planning and attention to detail. By developing detailed, truthful profiles and maintaining a strategic approach to niche interests and platform diversity, you establish a foundation for success. So, equip yourself with these insights and start shaping a profile that not only works efficiently, but works profitably. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.